everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to spot fake news. The objective of this lesson is for students to identify what fake news is and articulate ways to spot fake news in various media outlets. It's very important for students to be able to distinguish the difference between real news stories versus fake news and propaganda. Today, most students are now reading more online than on paper, and they must be able to distinguish between what was written to inform and what was written to mislead, so that they can become informed, critical thinkers. The discussion question for this Padlet is, articulate what fake news is and explain ways to be able to spot it. The resources I have chosen for you are included in the Padlet in the order that I would like for you to view them. Be sure to read the title and the instructions, as they include how I want you to respond to the resources. There are videos, infographics, web articles, and you'll finish up with a quiz from Channel 1 News to test your ability to decipher between real or fake news. After today's lesson, you'll be able to take the skills learned here and apply them anytime that you're faced with a media news story, whether it's in research for a class or something that came across your news feed. You'll be equipped with the knowledge to decipher between what was written to inform and what was written to mislead you.